Really quickly, here is the Blackboard website that we are going to be using this semester. At the top, you'll see the WebEx Classroom link. You'll use this link to access the WebEx classrooms on Thursday nights from 5:30 to 8:20. However, this week you're going to want to start right here. Open up this module. You'll find a welcome letter. You'll find our syllabus. You'll find a folder with all of the project assignment guides for the next 8 weeks. A little bit of information about being successful online, some netiquette guidelines. Remember, there's a human on the other side of this screen. When you've gone through all of that material, you can close that and you can go to our first module. Now, our first module is this Thursday. This is the week of January 10th. You'll find the module overview, which gives you the lowdown on, yes, inquiry, says SpongeBob. You'll find the information on what we're looking at this week. You'll find the specific outcomes we're hoping to achieve this week, as well as an outline of the activities we're probably going to run in class this week. You can close that, and then you'll find the readings for this week. Now, if you haven't had a chance to get the books yet, or if they're not in just yet, I've loaded all 3 of them. There is a third one that will be here for you. I must not have made it visible yet. There are 3 readings for you to complete for Thursday night. So make sure if you don't have the books, make sure you do download these and read them. I provided them for you here. Lastly is a blog link. You're going to create a blog this semester, and so when you've done that and you've published and you've created the link itself, you can submit that there for credit. On Thursday, for whatever reason, if this WebEx Classroom link is not working, if you come over here to the left, Course and Institution Tools, you'll find WebEx over here. That should also take you, and you'll be able to find our virtual session.